Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. The content on this channel is for education and entertainment only. Nothing here is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and talk to a licensed professional before making any investment decisions. Trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. You're responsible for your own money.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're spotlighting a company that doesn't always get the headlines, but is quietly becoming a powerhouse in the artificial intelligence infrastructure space. Lumen Technologies, ticker symbol LUMN. If you've been following the artificial intelligence revolution and wondering who's building the backbone to power all this tech, Lumen is a company you should know about. Let's dive in. Lumen Technologies started life as CenturyLink, one of the biggest telecom providers in the US. Over the years, they've transformed themselves from just a phone and internet provider into a company focusing on digital infrastructure, meaning the networks, data centers, and technology that businesses rely on to connect, store data, and run applications. They're headquartered in Monroe, Louisiana, and employ around 24,000 people worldwide. Lumen operates in two main segments. Their business segment targets large enterprises and wholesale clients, offering everything from cloud networking, cybersecurity solutions, edge computing, and more. Their mass market segment used to focus on consumer broadband, but that's been changing. Some of the brands and divisions you'll hear about include Lumen itself, which is the enterprise networking powerhouse, Quantum Fiber, their high-speed fiber broadband service, and Black Lotus Labs, an advanced cyber threat intelligence and research unit that protects customers from cyber attacks. Here's the exciting part. Lumen is positioning itself as a critical player in the AI ecosystem. Think of them as the highway builders for AI traffic. Artificial intelligence and cloud computing demand lightning-fast, ultra-reliable networks and data centers close to the user, which is where Lumen's fiber optic infrastructure and edge computing capabilities come in. They have major contracts worth billions, including an $8.5 billion private fiber deal that strengthens their foothold in providing the physical connectivity needed for AI and cloud services. They're investing heavily in enterprise fiber infrastructure designed specifically to meet AI's massive bandwidth and low latency needs. And importantly, they're streamlining their focus by selling off their consumer fiber business to AT&T for $5.75 billion, allowing them to pay down debt and focus on growing enterprise digital services. These moves mean Lumen is betting big on AI and cloud adoption by businesses, helping power everything from real-time data analysis to 5G connectivity and IoT devices. In their most recent quarterly report for Q2 2025, Lumen showed mixed financial results. Revenue came in at $3.1 billion, which is solid. However, they posted a net loss of $915 million, showing that they're still wrestling with legacy costs and investments during their transformation. On the plus side, their EBIT, earnings before interest and taxes, was positive $25 million, indicating some operational progress despite the losses. The stock trades at a very attractive price to cash flow ratio of just 1, compared to the telecom sector median of 8. This suggests the market may be undervaluing their long-term potential. But there are some red flags too. Forward revenue growth is projected to be down 7%, while the broader telecom sector expects 4% growth. Profitability margins remain weak, with a net income margin of negative 9% compared to the sector average of 5%. Analysts have been cautious, with 6 downward earnings per share revisions in the last 90 days. Kate Johnson, Lumen's CEO, is the driving force behind this transformation. She's focused on shifting Lumen from a traditional telecom company to a digital infrastructure leader that enables AI, 5G, and multi-cloud networking ecosystems. Key moves under her leadership include hiring Sean Alexander, a veteran from Microsoft and OpenAI, as Senior Vice President of Connected Ecosystems. His job? To accelerate innovation around edge cloud, network as a service, and AI infrastructure. The sale of the consumer fiber business to AT&T to raise $5.75 billion, which is being funneled into building AI-ready infrastructure and funding research and development. A strategic $2 billion debt refinancing to lower interest costs and improve their balance sheet, which means they're getting financially healthier even while investing heavily in growth. Kate is widely recognized as one of the top CEOs leading digital infrastructure innovation in 2025. Her leadership is crucial as Lumen faces fierce competition from cloud giants like Amazon and Microsoft, but also unique opportunities thanks to their fiber and edge computing assets. Of course, no company is without risks. Lumen's financial losses and heavy debt load are significant. The transformation is expensive and will take time. The AI infrastructure market is growing fast, but projections might be overly optimistic, and it's unclear how quickly Lumen's legacy business challenges can be overcome. Intense competition from cloud providers and other infrastructure players could pressure margins. Lumen Technologies is on a bold, high-stakes journey to become a backbone for AI and cloud computing. Their fiber network, edge computing platforms, and cybersecurity capabilities position them well for the future, if they can navigate their financial hurdles and execute on their strategy. For investors, this means Lumen is a high-risk, high-reward play in the AI infrastructure space. The current stock price reflects the market's skepticism, but with smart leadership and strategic moves, Lumen could surprise many. So, what do you think? Is Lumen Technologies the unsung hero of AI infrastructure, or are the risks too big right now? Drop your thoughts below and let's chat. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future deep dives into tech and AI stocks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And remember, make sure your outcome is always income.